What's good, everybody? So as you can see, I did a couple upgrades on my KLX 110 to make it a little more friendly for someone my size, or you could say an adult. I got the Pro Taper bars, got the IMS Super Stock foot pegs, and got a tush shifter. I also got a chain and a new air filter, but we don't need to put that on yet. So let's give this thing a rip and see how it does. Already, right off the bat, it feels so much more comfortable than it did before. Especially my feet. I feel like I have actually something to stand on, more than just them little bitty things that they call foot pegs that were on there. These bars feel awesome. Oh boy, gotta let it warm up. The kid's trying to race me. Huh? What? Oh yeah, it definitely feels better. I suggest anybody, any grown-up that has one of these little pit bikes, get these little upgrades. It probably only cost me about 120 bucks for everything. Definitely worth the money. Let's go see how it feels in this little area over here. These foot pegs are so nice. I feel planted. I feel like I could actually do some jumps on this little bitty thing. And like I said before, I'm a big guy. I mean, I can comfortably stand up now. Woo! Oh, shit. Accidentally shifted into first. All right. God, these things are so fun, man. just to mess around like this, even in the city where I stay, definitely worth the money. Let's see if we can make it up this thing here. Oh yeah. Let her eat. Oh, we tore this field up. Ugh. Oh man. So I might go back and get Malik here in a minute. He said he wants to rip with me. I got him some new bars for his bike, but they sent me the wrong one, so I'm not gonna be able to do that. Bars feel great, and I cut off 3 inch, or I cut it on the number 3 on each side, and I might go ahead and cut it down as far as it'll go to the 4, but right now this feels pretty good. It's about the same as my big bike. Speaking of big bikes, I may have a surprise tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be exciting. You know, there's so many famous people on YouTube already. I seriously doubt this will go anywhere, but it's still gonna be fun. Or it might. Time will tell, right? I would like to give a shout out to B-Rad. B-Rad Products is where I got this helmet mount. It's called the So Pro helmet mount. And so far, I haven't had any issues with it, except for I had the angle a little wrong on a video I put up with my son riding. I think I got that dialed in now. I started using I got me a good editing software today, so it's gonna get exciting, that's for sure. Anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Peace.